our channel.
Hello, welcome back, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. This is FemMNY. We're glad to have you here. To all our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel. For today's video, I'll be making this beautiful mermaid tail. All the materials that we use here will be on the description down below. Please check that out. So we will start off by inflating our balloon. Inflate it bigger and then gradually getting smaller and smaller. We will start by inflating our balloon to 10 inches. Before you tie this, make sure you make it nice and round. Alright guys, as you can see, I already inflated them all. So this is inflated to 10 inches, 9, 8 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, and 5 inches. So arrange this. We'll start from the base. So this is inflated to 10 inches. So put this on the post, put this on top, and then all you need to do is do it like that. So it locks in. Okay, stays there. So the second layer is the same thing, 10 inches. Put this on top, and then lock this in place. Here's your second layer. The third layer is now inflated to 9 inches. Alright, so every time you put one, you have to make sure that this goes in between your balloon. Alright, so we're good with that. So now you need 260 balloon. I will tie this together. Just like that. So from this point on, we will connect all this using our 260 balloon. Just tie this here. Like that. Inflated to 6. So this side 5 inches inflated to 5 inches as well. Just like that, and then you can shape it in which direction you want it. So before we put the tail, we will make some balloon beads as our scale. So I'm gonna show you real quick on how to make this balloon beads. And if you're new to this channel, if you want to see a step-by-step on how we made this balloon beads, there's a video right there. Please check that out. All right. So now I will inflate this. You can use this, or if you don't have this kind of machine, you can use your regular balloon pump. If you wanna find out how to get this, please check our Amazon storefront. We will put the link in the description down below. So we'll use this since I will be making a lot of beads. So stretch your balloon. You wanna leave about 2 fists. So squeeze, pinch, and then twist. Once you make your first bead, never let go. Put this in between your finger, just like that. just like that. And if you wanna cut the tip, there. Just tie the end. And there goes your balloon beads. So you will make a lot of this. I actually made a bunch of them. So right there, and just tuck this in here for now, so it's not gonna go nowhere. This is how you make your balloon beads. So this time we will put the scale before we put the tail. So you grab this, and you know how we tuck this in like this, right? And it's not going nowhere. This is how you do it. Put it on the back side of the balloon, and then just splice this back in. Then I twist it back there. There goes your first scale. Alright, so we'll cover them all with balloon beads. Just like that. By the way guys, if you want to see another mermaid tail that we made, we have a different video tutorial right there. Please check that out. So just like that guys, you do that until you get all the way to the tip of the tail. And there you go guys, and now I got all the beads all the way, and then you just have to turn the shapes to whichever direction you want it. So this time we will add the tail. And it's time to inflate your foil balloon. This is for the tail. You can also use a bigger one if you want. So we got this, and we also have the silver. Alright, so it's time to attach this. We'll be using glue dots for this part. So we made it like this because we don't have the bigger tail, so we double the tail, and it looks different as well. Alright, so now we'll connect this as well, putting some glue dots right here. So this time we use our 260 balloon. We will tie it on here. This time we'll attach this here. Just like that. And there you go guys, it's finally done. Look at the tail, isn't that beautiful? So as I said, you can use a bigger balloon like this, like a full one, but I think I kind of like the idea of doubling this up with the different color. Ain't that beautiful? I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye!
Bye!